This review is of Alternative Baking Company Incorporated's seasonal Mac the Chip cookie, which is non-GMO, parv, and vegan. And here is the blurb. And if you're not delighted with the taste, texture, or quality of our product, you can send it back and get your money back. And they actually do want to hear from you. I actually did call them once to give them some feedback on some of their cookies, and they were apparently happy to take the call. I tried a different company, which I think was that one with the two weird caricatures of Larry and Lenny or something like that, and they never even picked up or responded to my voicemail. All right, so nutrition facts and ingredients. All right. So, 1/4 of a cookie is 140 calories, 7 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated fats because of palm oil and coconut in here. There is no cholesterol, but 120 milligrams of sodium, 21 grams of carbs, of which only 1 is dietary fiber, and 11 are sugars, of which 10 of those are added, and 2 grams of protein. So, all in all, this is a highly processed product, so it's not something you should be eating on a regular basis, and it's not particularly helpful otherwise. It doesn't really offer much in the way of things that are good for vegans. I don't really care for the smell. When I can chew it, it's a soft cookie, and not very crumbly. Not really crumbly, but when I chew it, I can feel the coconut meat, the dried coconut meat in there. Which I don't know how you feel about that. Some people like it, some people don't. But it's okay. But the flavor is remarkably boring. I mean, really, it would be completely forgettable if it weren't for the chocolate chips in it. So, as far as flavor is concerned, I'll give this a 4. I mean, 4.5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.